everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just thought I would pop on and show you all of the components of the Deckthepalms bundle. This bundle is available until December 31st, and it comes in, you can purchase it in different components, but I just went ahead and got the full bundle that has everything in it. Okay, so I'm going to show you what came. These are the stickers, and this collection, one side of the papers is just tropical and beachy kind of theme, and then the flip side of the papers is a tropical Christmas theme. So you can choose which side you want to do. Okay, so this is the regular tropical theme, so it's got pineapples and hibiscus and different palm leaves and ferns and palm trees and all kinds of beachy themed things. And there's a treatment on these stickers that makes them shine, so parts of them are highlighted in a really cool way. So lots of really good icons and border strips and so forth. So these are the stickers. And then I'm going to show you the papers, and then I'll show you the Christmas themed stickers. Okay, so this is the Christmas side of the papers, and then the zip strip has ornaments. And then the flip side of this one is the tropical side. So the colors in this collection, they're just bold and brilliant and so pretty. Avocado, ballerina, black, candy apple, clover, lagoon, lemonade, mint, nectarine, raspberry, toffee, and white daisy. So pretty. Look at this hibiscus. Super pretty. Okay, so that's one. Nice watercolor wash. And then the zip strip, seashells. Nice. And the flip side, hand-drawn checkered background. Nice. And dots on a watercolor wash in ballerina. Look at that, the flamingos, they're so cute. We've got flowers on their heads. Love it. And stripes in ballerina, and it's kind of a watercolor wash in the stripes on white daisy. And here's another floral, hibiscus on lemonade, and then fern leaves on the zip strip. Wow, look at that. Lots of tropical leaves there. Very nice. This is going to be fun to work with. Cruise pictures, beach pictures, warm weather pictures. Nice. Or you could use the flip side for Christmas. If you Christmas in the warmer climates, then these are great for you. So I've got, they're like starfish, and then the zip strip or hibiscus. Nice. And the flip side, mint, and lots of tropical Christmas going on there. And diagonal stripes and all the colors in the collection. And the flip side, tropical, all the different icons in the collection without the Christmas. Super cute. Okay, so those are the papers. And then this collection also has cardstock that has the treatment on there. And forgive me, I can't remember right now what exactly this is called, but it makes it shiny. So there's little flamingos on this one, and it's only one-sided, so you get the light side of flamingo on the flip side. Get a couple of those with it. It's actually, yeah, I believe it's ballerina, but there are flamingos on ballerina. So okay. And then this is lagoon. You get dots all over. And palm leaves on clover. And more palm leaves on mint. And pineapple on lemonade. And more flamingos on raspberry. Super fun. Lots of fun. Okay. All right, the stickers that are the Christmas stickers are right here. And these also have that shiny treatment on them. So you have a candy cane and cute flamingo with Christmas packages and pineapple all decked out for Christmas. Noel, nice palm tree with Christmas lights. Lots of fun. Okay. And then the collection also comes with acrylic shapes. So you have one that has Christmas shapes in it and the other that has the tropical themed icons in it. So flip-flops and sunglasses and flamingos of different sizes. So they're in flamingo pink and white daisy, hibiscus and palm leaves and sand dollars and all kinds of fun beachy themed starfish. And there's probably seashells in there too. So, and that's in that super thin acrylic. So it works well on scrapbook pages and on cards. Okay, so you get quite a large package, all of these different things. And then you get acrylic shapes in Christmas icons. And so these are in candy apple and white daisy. So you get ornaments and candy canes and stars and bows and packages and all kinds of really cool and fun things for Christmas. Okay. So you get a package of each in the bundle. And you can buy it on its own as well, if you wish. And then you also get some stamps and thin cuts and cover plate thin cuts. So these layer and you get palm leaves. You can use them by themselves or you can layer them together. And you can also trim them and create border strips out of them. Super fun. This can be fun to work with. So these are the Deckthepalms card fronts. Okay, and then you get Deckthepalms Christmas. So this is a stamp and thin cut set. So this is the stamp set, and then you get coordinating thin cuts that work with many of these shapes. Warmest wishes. Oh, what fun. Merry Christmas. Or Happy Christmas. Lots of fun ornament thin cuts. And Christmas is a thin cut as well, so that'll be fun. And then when you go to purchase this bundle or any of the parts of the bundle, there is a link on my website where you can download a workshop to make layouts and cards. And they're both Christmas themed and not Christmas themed, tropical themed. Okay, so this is the tropical themed stamp set. Get away, surf sand, stand tall, sun, surf sand, nice flamingo, seashells, pineapple, and hibiscus. That'll be super fun to color with the tri-blend markers. And then you get coordinating thin cuts that go with. Okay, so that's the leaf there. At first I looked at this and it looked like a chili pepper. So you can do other things with the thin cuts. So anyway, that is the tropical themed stamp set with coordinating thin cuts. Okay, so that is Deckthepalms, and that's the whole bundle. And you can go to my website to check it out. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And thanks. Bye-bye.